Honda makes your safety our top priority. We're committed to manufacturing vehicles that can help protect you and your family. We spend countless hours designing and engineering automobiles that consistently earn some of the highest safety ratings in America. But what happens if a vehicle is involved in a collision? How do you know it's been repaired correctly? At Honda, we've taken the initiative to reduce the uncertainty of collision repair. Cars are more complicated than ever, and that includes not only the parts you see on the outside, but more importantly, what's underneath that holds everything together and can help keep you safe. Our state-of-the-art assembly techniques and leading-edge use of high-strength steel produce lighter and stronger vehicle bodies. Restoring this technologically advanced car requires highly trained technicians, plus specialized equipment and techniques. The ProFirst Certified program is a way for you to identify highly qualified repair shops that meet strict standards for repairing Honda and Acura vehicles. One with the required skills, training, equipment, and information to make proper vehicle repairs. How can the wrong repair affect you? To demonstrate, we made repairs using techniques that don't meet requirements for the high-strength steel used in our vehicles. What do you think? Looks okay on the outside, right? Although the freshly repaired vehicle appears to be in good condition, what would happen if this vehicle experienced another accident? We then conducted a frontal crash test, known as a small overlap test, to specifications designed by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, or IIHS. This test replicates what happens when the front corner of a vehicle collides with another vehicle or an object like a tree or utility pole. The left side of the screen shows results from a small overlap test on a production vehicle, while the right side is a vehicle repaired using inappropriate techniques for Honda vehicles manufactured with high-strength steel. Notice how the structure of the driver's door stays intact and the door remains closed on the production vehicle, while the door on the repaired vehicle deforms and opens slightly during the test. Honda analyzed the crash test results and identified structural failures that could severely compromise occupant safety in a subsequent collision. You can see the driver's door was opened slightly during the test on the vehicle with incorrect high-strength steel repairs, but it could not be fully opened after the collision. Seems like a minor detail, unless you were the one trapped inside. Instead of redirecting crash energy around the passenger compartment, the improper repairs in the driver's door area broke apart and collapsed. This allowed crash impact forces to cause additional damage to the cabin structure of the vehicle. All of these failures could reduce the protection originally designed into the vehicle. Would you be satisfied if this were your vehicle? ProFirst certified repair facilities can provide you peace of mind in knowing they have the knowledge and resources necessary to properly repair your Honda or Acura after a collision. Repair technicians and estimators must complete Honda-specific training courses. The shop must have the correct tools and equipment, and the facility must maintain exacting standards. ProFirst shops have access to all factory replacement components, so don't forget to ask for new, genuine Honda or Acura parts after a collision. You can locate the nearest ProFirst repair shop on our website at collision.honda.com or look for the ProFirst logo at your local collision repair shop.